Hi there, it's Alex from WTI, and I wanted to tell you why this Apple Watch band from WFEAGL is a great option. So I always tend to gravitate to leather accessories because I find they're more durable and they last longer. This watch band is no exception. The leather is soft and it holds up to being exposed to water frequently because I wash my hands so much. I really like how it comes in so many colors and you can style your outfits accordingly. If you wear a lot of rose gold, this is a lovely addition to your accessory collection because of its rose gold features. The band slides into the watch easily and it's very stable. They've never come loose on me or undone. The genuine leather is so soft and flexible, and I really like how it elevates the overall look of the Apple Watch. It feels comfortable when it's on, and it looks great with so many different styles. The description of the band explains the look as elegant and chic, and I can't agree more with that statement. If it's a top-notch quality, genuine leather band you're looking for, I've been thoroughly impressed with this one here, and that's my point of view.